Did you know that certain common cleaning practices might make your life less prosperous and attract bad energy? In this video, we'll discuss 10 cleaning errors that, in accordance with Buddhist teachings, can bring misfortune and even poverty. These routines, which are frequently carried out mindlessly, can be preventing you from achieving abundance and harmony. Some of these blunders might be having a bigger impact on you than you think if you feel like things aren't going as planned or if there seem to be obstacles in your emotional or financial life. And here's the good news. In this video, you'll learn to spot and fix these simple errors, bringing more harmony and prosperity into your home and life. Ever wondered why some homes seem to turn away good opportunities while others attract peace and fortune? Stay tuned until the end to discover how small changes in your cleaning routine can improve the energy in your surroundings, making room for good vibes and abundance. Take a moment to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share a positive affirmation in the comments. Say something like, "I deserve to live in prosperity and harmony." To start attracting positive energy right now, your interaction is important and helps this content reach more people. Cleaning is more than just a domestic task. Buddhist teachings claim that it is a potent spiritual practice. Our mental and emotional states are reflected in the way we maintain our environment. We also accumulate stagnant energy when we dwell in chaos and dirt, which obstructs the flow of harmony and prosperity. A messy space can stop opportunities and create a heavy feeling, making it hard to make good choices and welcome positive things. In Buddhism, it's believed that cleaning clears the path for fresh energy and is necessary for a clear and balanced mind. A clean place isn't just pleasing, it's essential for bringing in good fortune and abundance. Many spiritual leaders also say that karma can show up in the space where we live. Just as we aim for good actions to create positive results, a well-kept home brings positive energy, drawing in prosperity and keeping troubles away. Mess and clutter, however, act like magnets for negativity, blocking the flow of vital energy. So, taking care of your space is like taking care of yourself. Keeping your home neat and energetically clean invites prosperity and well-being into your life. Now that you know how your living space affects your energy and the opportunities you attract, it's time to learn about the mistakes that block prosperity. Each of these errors points to a common habit that, if not fixed, can harm your financial and emotional life. Let's look at these in detail. One of the most common and impactful mistakes is holding on to broken items or things that no longer serve a purpose. According to Buddhist teachings, everything around us has energy. When something is broken, it holds on to negative energy, blocking the natural flow of prosperity. Items that no longer work represent stagnant energy and attachment to the past, stopping new and positive things from coming into your life. Plus, keeping things you don't use sends the universe a message of scarcity and clinging. When we hold on to what's old or broken, we don't make room for new opportunities and resources. This stagnation isn't just physical, it's energetic and emotional too. Buddhism teaches the value of letting go and knowing when to release what no longer helps us. By removing broken or unused items, you symbolically create space for abundance in your life. Every time you throw away or donate something useless, you renew the energy in your environment and tell the universe you're ready to welcome better things. So, a good habit to practice is regular sorting. Look at each item in your home and ask, is this still useful? Is it in good shape? If the answer is no, let it go without hesitation. When you clean in this mindful way, you'll feel lighter and notice opportunities coming your way more easily. The kitchen is seen as the center of the home in many spiritual traditions, signifying prosperity, abundance, and sustenance. Stacking dirty dishes can make things feel unbalanced and chaotic. In addition to being unsightly, this clutter can produce stagnant energy that impairs your emotional and mental well-being. Since cleanliness and mental purity are closely related in Buddhist teachings, leaving dishes unwashed overnight is a sign of carelessness and can obstruct the flow of good energy. To maintain a harmonious environment, make it a habit to clean your dishes as soon as you're finished eating. This creates a clean, peaceful space and allows for the free flow of positive energy in your kitchen, which symbolizes nourishment in all aspects of your life. Regular cleaning also reduces stress and ensures that your kitchen stays inviting and energetically balanced. The entryway to your home, often referred to as the mouth of chai in feng shui, is the point through which energy enters your living space. If this area is cluttered, dirty, or blocked, it can prevent positive energy from entering your home, making it harder for prosperity, health, and happiness to flow. A messy or cluttered entrance symbolizes being closed off to new opportunities. Regularly clean and declutter the entryway to your home. Make sure it's well lit and inviting, as this sets the tone for the rest of your house. You can add elements like plants, a welcome mat, or decorative pieces that reflect warmth and openness. Ensuring a clear and welcoming entry will improve the flow of positive energy, leading to greater success and well-being. Clothes, like all possessions, carry energy. When you hold on to clothes you no longer wear, you are symbolically holding on to past situations, emotions, or outdated parts of yourself. In Buddhist philosophy, attachment to material things creates suffering and stagnation. Hoarding clothes can make your space feel cluttered and stagnant, hindering your ability to attract new opportunities. Set aside time to go through your wardrobe and donate or discard clothes that you no longer wear or that don't bring you joy. This practice of decluttering not only frees up physical space, but also releases emotional and mental baggage, creating room for new experiences, energy, and abundance. By letting go of the old, you invite new opportunities to flow into your life. Corners, often neglected during cleaning, are believed to be the areas where stagnant energy accumulates. In many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism and Feng Shui, it's believed that energy has difficulty flowing smoothly around corners. Dust, cobwebs, and clutter in these spaces represent energy that is stuck, hindering progress and prosperity. Be sure to clean the corners of each room regularly. Dust, sweep, and remove any clutter in these areas to promote a smooth and uninterrupted flow of energy. By paying attention to these neglected spaces, you ensure that the energy in your home remains balanced, light, and inviting, helping to attract prosperity and positive change. The space under the bed is traditionally seen as an important area in terms of both physical and spiritual well-being. According to spiritual practices, this space should be kept clear to promote restful sleep and a positive flow of energy. Storing unused items under the bed can create a sense of emotional clutter, preventing restful sleep and creating mental and energetic blockages. Clear the space under your bed and keep it free from any items. This will help promote better sleep, which in turn supports mental clarity and emotional health. A clear and open space under the bed also encourages a fresh flow of energy through your subconscious, helping you feel more grounded and balanced. In many spiritual and cultural traditions, sweeping after sunset is considered bad luck because it is thought to sweep away prosperity and good fortune. During the night, energy is believed to be more sensitive and receptive. Sweeping at night may disrupt the natural flow of energy in your home and send away opportunities or positivity. If you need to clean your home during the evening, avoid sweeping, as it may symbolically push away positive energy. Opt for alternative cleaning methods like vacuuming or wiping down surfaces instead. If you do have to sweep at night, be sure to do it mindfully and with the intention of cleaning, not of pushing away good fortune. Mirrors amplify the energy they reflect. If a mirror reflects clutter, it can double the negative energy in your space. Mirrors have the power to attract and intensify both positive and negative energy, so it's important to ensure they reflect only clean, harmonious spaces. Position mirrors in places where they reflect clean, open spaces, and avoid placing them in areas where they reflect clutter, mess, or negative energy. A well-placed mirror can increase the flow of positive energy, improve light, and bring prosperity into your life by creating balance and clarity in your home. Windows represent the eyes of the home. Dirty or smudged windows can block the natural light and energy from entering, keeping your space feeling dark and stagnant. Clear windows allow light to enter freely, enhancing the flow of positive energy and prosperity. Keep your windows clean on a regular basis to let in natural light and new vitality. This easy action will not only make your living area more cheerful, but it will also remove any barriers that stand in the way of clarity and abundance. Openness and receptivity to fresh possibilities are symbolized by clean windows. The tools you use to clean your home carry energy as well. If your cleaning tools are old, dirty, or worn out, they may harbor stagnant energy, which can affect the cleaning process and your home's overall energy. Make sure to regularly clean and replace your cleaning tools such as mops, brooms, and cloths. Taking care of these items ensures that the energy they bring into your home is fresh, positive, and supportive of your cleaning efforts. This mindfulness in cleaning will help create a space that is clear, balanced, and inviting for prosperity. By addressing these common cleaning mistakes and making mindful changes in your routine, you can create a more peaceful, harmonious environment that invites prosperity, health, and happiness into your life. Every small action, such as letting go of old items or cleaning your windows, contributes to clearing your space of negative energy and welcoming positive change.